Hey everybody, it's your friend Jenna from Uncomplicated Kitchen, and in this video, we're gonna make pillowy, soft, scrambled eggs. Yum. First thing you gotta do, of course, you gotta crack some eggs. Flat surface, not there. There you go. Because I usually get raw egg all over my hands, I'm gonna go ahead and wash them. All right, so we gotta whisk these up. And I know this is not a whisk. A fork does a perfectly fine job for eggs. All right, so doing this is not whisking. That's stirring. Whisking is a motion like this. You're almost making big old loops. Next thing, seasoning. When to salt. Salt now. Salt just before you get it into the pan. It really does help the structure of the eggs really stay like soft and pillowy and light instead of really tense. So I'm just gonna whisk that little bit of salt in. You just need a pinch. Very whiskey business. I'm not yoking. Stop cracking up. I'll be here all day. I have an egg necklace that I wanted to wear today, and I did not have time to like dig it out. It's a big egg yolk. Getting it. There she is. I wasn't sure that I should wear this necklace because I was afraid I would be a little too extra. My brain is scrambled. Time to get these eggs in the pan. All right, we're gonna do this over low heat. Not as low as it goes, but don't get up to medium. We still need the things to cook. Teaspoon of salted butter in the pan. It's gonna bubble up, and when that bubbling subsides, we're gonna add our eggs right in. Butter is starting to brown a little bit, which I actually love. I know it's gonna be hard, but don't touch it for about 30 seconds, and I'm gonna show you why. I like to be able to go like that, and then I cut the heat off. That big old sheet of egg is ideal for putting on an egg wrap or on a sandwich. And because it's such a large piece and not all broken apart, it is going to stay on your sandwich and not on your shirt. Perfectly cooked, very soft scrambled eggs. Perfect for your breakfast or dinner. Enjoy. My brain is scrambled.